Hello, today I'm in MINI Countryman. In this video I'll show you how to set home address in the navigation. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display, and from main menu let's go to Office. Go to Home Address. Firstly select surname, first name, new phone number, new address. Next select Country, City, Street, building number or road junction. Select Accept and select Home. You can also select Work address this way. Save in Contact in Car, and it's done. Now you can freely navigate to your home via navigation. Go to Navigation, and from menu select Address Book and Home Address. Start guidance, and it's done. To stop guidance, go to left menu Guidance and select Stop Guidance. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.